Welcome back, guys. In today's topic, we have a bunch of interesting subjects, you see me? So, the soldier from the JDF force get withdrawn. Also, Popcaan brother caught on a video. Yo, guys, you need to see that one, yeah. If you don't subscribe and like, please consider to do so. Anyways, guys, so you must wonder what me talk about, which video go on, but guess what? YouTube don't allow us to post certain things. So here what you gonna do for me. If you want to see the what go on, you can link me over Wull on my Instagram page. Jano Star. Dog have him thing in him hand putting up on the wall. Thing, you know. Me I tell you guys from now, say Popcaan for help him, brother. It no look right. If I even for buy the man some front, it no look right. Me no know. If it's a girl, he would have sent that video there or what. But it no look good. Guys, you know what I'm talking about. It no look good. Yeah, the JDF we deal with that pregnant girl away, yeah. It no look good. Never look good either, guys, cause guess what, the girl pregnant, you know. People them must say that, you know, the bucket for no listen good. But me I hear this are like twice something like this happening a day, dog. Guys, it's sad how them a deal with the citizens like we are not nothing. You see me, but my ear say them a take him from out of the JDF basically. You see me, for them behavior there. You see me in a certain, you see me manner. Like I don't know, guys, but that a go on. Guys, so if you do not enjoy the video, please do enjoy this live by Ivany vlogs. You see me?
I'm a hype and blah 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 blah. You know what, I'm weak. Let me tell you now. Mama tell you how me get that wig, yeah. You want to know me get that wig, yeah? I be like Instagram page. Before I give me the Instagram page, let me tell you how me get that wig, yeah. I get a phone. I get some internet. I go in a Play Store and I download Instagram. When I download Instagram, I be like email, secure the email. After I build the email and secure the email, then I go to the box now and build an Instagram page. When I build the Instagram page, now I put in my email and put in my number and I secure my page. After I do that now, I try to gain some followers. Anything can make you gain followers. But before you gain followers, you have to popular or you have to pay somebody to promote you. If you don't want to pay nobody to promote you, do something, expose yourself, but you get popular. Fuck one dog and make your video go out. Suck one artist body where you know you always go around and act like, make it look like a smiley there video it. You put the camera up and back camera, you hide the camera like the YouTube video them, and you video them, and you suck your wood and you put out the video, pop your face in it, artist face in it, easy one to bust that. Go suck one girl vagina, you do something to get exposed. When you get popular now, your followers gain. When your followers gain now, anything you post for your story, you take a screenshot of the amount of people view it and you post it back, DM me for promo. When them DM me for the promo, you bet the promo go cheap. 2.5 for your 1 day post, 5 grand for your 2 day post, and you give them all 2 more extra posts for them to bribe them for come back. When them come back now, them are going to do business with them, are going to tell them, say, Miss or Era one, you can be one ambassador. If you don't reach ambassador stage, you can turn to them and say, listen, you know, so you can give me that 2 so them I give you 1 more week promo or whatever. And that's so you get the blood clot things, and that's how I got my wig, and in return, I want to give to it. So if you want to get one wig, go do what I tell you if you do and have your own wig, say you don't have to come cost me about my eye to me one a wig when me work for eye. Thank you. Find anything to cuss her with, but not tell nobody say them are got dead. Suppose you're dead before, suppose you're dead left with you. You see, you're just mad. See you now, get Jada the way. Who is Jada? Who named Jada? I don't know this Jada talking about. Figure Jada my wig. Me know Jada from somewhere. Jada? Who is Jada? I never heard about nobody named Jada, and that was Jada Kingdom. And Jada Kingdom now over here. I don't know who's Jada. Is that girl from the live? I don't know what you need something with him Jada. I'm heard them from pussy and make one wig. Oh. If I stay, me I go pin the girl comment too, you know. Hold on, I'ma go back up. Cause you can't come at me if I say me a class girl will ask me polite for the wig. When me see the same girl will tell me say she a cuss for the wig, comment and see a lie that. So me I go back up and pin her comment. The pin say she did a cuss for the wig. That's what she say. And then me go back up now and show you something. And the same girl comment back. But she never class you. No. Me just prove it to you. So one off say no. You just see the girl comment and say she did a class you for the wig. And now the girl comment but she never a class you. Where of that? Which part of that me wrong? For class her back for say you can't class me for me wig. So which part of me you want come at now? And me you for come at now. So you can't say, Vanya, I can't believe you this the girl because Anna like me did see her comment. Remember so when she said, oh Jada, may I ask you no who name Jada till me I say I know Jada Kingdom. So be careful of what you're saying. Remember you read but now with understanding you get black. What you mean by me read? I mean I understand. If you see something say, she class you fit in wig. Or me for read it. Teacher say read this for me, Ivany. Okay, miss, let me read it. She class you for the wig. What is the meaning for she class you for the wig? Miss, I just think that this person me was cussing for something that is mine or cussing for something that is theirs. Which part of that? Me. Suppose teacher say read it, understanding the way it say, oh, me if you get up and say, miss, she say she class her for the wig, but it don't really mean that, you know. It means that she asks her for the wig politely. And that mean it for say? And that mean it for say? That not sound dunce. If she say she class her for the wig, not much tell she tell me say the girl that cuss me for the wig, or me for pretty up that. Why she couldn't say, Ivany, I want girl on the live and ask her for your wig, she want it. So me for read, so you gotta tell me say me wrong now and me for read it with understanding. That's the understanding I'm getting from it. So you don't come at me. And before the girl try to pretty it up, the girl I say a lie. I can't me, I say I tell her you must say a lie. And you probably remember what you did say. Y'all are making it seems like I'm frost and I'm mad. Me telling you, about the weed and taking Mali. It gives sense, knowledge and understanding and I'm mad. But she was lying perfectly. I'm glad I get it. Oh, me don't know she had a lie. Okay. So if the girl when she probably not gonna want it because she hear me that cuss. If she want it, I'm here. If she doesn't want it, then fine. Right?